Hello, in this question we are told simplify completely, and the expression we are given is 3x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1 minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. So we are going to start with what we know, right? This x squared minus 1 squared, we can simplify that first. So we are going to take it x squared minus 1. This is the same as doing x squared minus 1 squared, right? But then again, remember the difference of two squares. Anytime I give you x squared minus y squared, this is the same as x minus y times x plus y, right? So in our case, this means this is the same as doing x minus 1 times x plus 1, right? So now if we rewrite the equation or the expression, we are now going to have 3x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 1, and then minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so now it's clear that we can find the LCM of this denominator and this other one. So the LCM of x minus 1 times x plus 1 and x plus 1, it's going to be this one on the left, the x minus 1 times x plus 1. So the denominator is x minus 1 times x plus 1, right? So this expression divided by itself, that's going to give us 1. And then 1 times the numerator, we'll still have the numerator, which is 3x squared minus 1. Then minus this expression divided by x plus 1. The x plus 1s are going to cancel out, and we are going to be left with x minus 1. And then times 2x plus 1, right? Okay, so now we have to expand this. So x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. So x minus 1 times 2x plus 1, this is going to be x times 2x, that is 2x squared, and then x times 1, that's going to be plus x, and then negative 1 times 2x, that's going to be minus 2x, and then negative 1 times 1, that's going to be minus 1. And this is the same as 2x squared, x minus 2x, that's going to be minus x, and then we have the minus 1. So now our numerator here becomes 3x squared minus 1 minus this expression in brackets 2x squared minus x minus 1. And then this is all over x minus 1, x plus 1. So when you expand the numerator, we are going to get 3x squared minus 1, and then minus 2x squared, and then minus minus x, that's going to be plus x, and then minus minus 1, that's going to be plus 1. And this is all over x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, so now collecting the like terms together on the numerator, we are going to have 3x squared minus 2x squared, and then we have the plus x, and then we have minus 1, and we have the plus 1, and this is all over x minus 1, x plus 1. So on the numerator, 3x squared minus 2x squared, that's going to give you x squared. Then we have the plus x, and then minus 1 plus 1, that's 0. So that's all we have on the numerator. Then on the denominator, we still have x minus 1 times x plus 1. So on the numerator, notice that we have a common factor. We have x here and we have x here. So we are going to factor it out. So if we factor out the x squared divided by x, that's going to be x, plus x divided by x, that's going to be 1. And this is all over x minus 1 times x plus 1. And then we have x plus 1 in the denominator and in the numerator. So by x plus 1, that goes away. By x plus 1, that's 1. So this means that whole expression simplifies to x over x minus 1, which is your answer. So the answer is x over x minus 1.